Howdy everybody. Here we are today at our house, or my secret location, more commonly known as my front yard. But we are working on, we're working on some cement work, if you see that right there. Got a new cement mixer. We're going to be putting cement on the mountain today. Also, we have a special guest here today. Right there, Pilot Dave's here today. And he brought a new box that we're going to unbox today with his new truck in it. So we got Dad, the old man, just testing out some stuff here. And yeah, we're going to get some cement on this today and do some more stuff to her. And we'll come back with the video of the unboxing here soon. Yeah. Here we are. It's hard to do this facing yourself. But yep, I'll be back here shortly with a box that we're going to be taking apart and show you what truck you got. See you in a bit.
Have this unboxed.
Controlled Chaos RC unboxing today. This will be Dave's new Class 1 truck.
What?
Look at that precision work with a knife. It's an older truck. I mean, it's been out for a while.
Come here.
But this is new to us, so we're going to check it out and see how it does. Look at that.
That's the Element Bushido.
Wow.
So
It's boxed really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Very nice.
Really nice.
Really nice.
Get that out of here. Dave just throws it and lets it fly away.
I can't get it over.
You'd think your buddy over there would help you, but...
Oh, he's
Alright.
Bushido Off-Road 4x4. That's it. So we're hoping this will be a good Class 1 truck with some modifications, of course. But it's a short wheelbase.
Are you saying it's a Bronco?
It's not a Bronco.
It's not a Bronco. He even got himself a garage once he opens the package.
Look.
Yeah, see?
So here we got our controller. Whoa. Bag of parts.
Extra shotters. Drive shafts, your overdrive gears, the battery tray. Wow.
We got to plug it.
There it is. Look at that. 2 bumpers.
Nice. We got stuff under here, look.
Oh, he's got his stickers and all that. Owner's manual.
Manual for the controller.
It is nice.
It's called a Bushido.
Oh, I think flip it around. Yep. Oh, we gotta cut the zip ties. We'll try it out here with stock tires on it, stock everything, and we'll do a couple modifications for it. Try it again. Let you know how it goes.
Tires seem a little hard.
They used some pretty nice zip ties to hold her in there.
Yeah, they really furnished it with new zip ties.
Even have a trailer hitch ball on it.
Look at there.
First impressions, Dave? How
The
does it feel?
suspension seems
Hello,
really
Dada.
nice. No, you're not gonna get the remote control. It's really well balanced. Look at it, it's got rear view mirrors.
Uncle.
The mirrors full.
It's
got
windshield
wipers.
Roll bar.
Has it got headlight boots?
Nope. I don't think so.
What does that mean?
It's where you put headlights in it. See, we basically... So all they did is they moved the shock towers forward
Time.
on the regular
Oh.
chassis.
To shorten the wheelbase.
Shorten the
Oh, yeah.
wheelbase up.
So our whole thought on this is we can go over obstacles and help so that we don't get high-sided on obstacles.
Yes. Alright, we'll be back after we run it a little bit here and do a couple modifications to it.
Okay, here Dave goes. It's the first time out. Ooh. Ran right over the doll head. No problem. Nothing hard yet. Okay, Dave, come back this way. Come right up around this side of the tire. You want to go around the tire and this way. Around the tire.
Up here?
Nope, keep coming, turning. Go around it. And I want you to come right up through here. She's just a bouncing, ain't it?
See the control.
A little bit of adjustment on the control, hey?
Touchy. Well, it's got dual rates. Let's see. Throttle, steering, neutral, endpoint adjustment, 3-channel, trim. I don't.
Oh, I'll have Justin look at it when you get over there. Uh-oh, that's the first time she got high-sided, but he ain't stopped yet. And tires don't grip like. Oh, there you go. You got the spot. Now this, you got to go slow through here.
Well, it's a little hard to go slow with this.
It's going good though.
Where do I go now? Over the barrel? Over the... Over the pails?
Well, what we usually do, we come around and go right up there onto that.
You do?
We'll see if she...
Maybe we need a different driver.
Uh-huh. Well, hang on. You're not going to do her. You can't get your front tires up on the cement to grab.
This is a short wheelbase.
Ooh, maybe. Ooh. Okay, now how we usually do it, we'll come up right through here and get both our front wheels on that rock and go straight up. Yeah, she's a little jerky, ain't it?
Very good.
Keep coming back, keep going. Okay, now do it. Straighten her out. Now this is where that shorter wheelbase. Okay, you can go wherever you want now, Dave. Hey. It is pretty stable though.
Well, it hasn't really showed that it wants to tip over though.
Now these are hard.
The steer servo was weak.
Yeah.
Here's full passenger.
Well, we got in a spot. I'd come put it down and come through here and go over the tires.
These tires are. They just don't grip at all. They're hard.
There you go.
What did you say?
Do this. Come around and see if you can climb up that tire. I gotta take 5 here, Dave.
You got these?
Yeah, I gotta do that too. But somebody's in your toolbox.
Oh yeah.
So we swapped the tires out to 419s, Goodyears. Seems to look like it's going pretty good. Oh, there he goes. It is nice and quiet. So all in all, the Element Enduro Bushindo, pretty capable truck, pretty nice. Needs a little work here and there. We put 419s on it. I didn't get a lot of video for this. I know it's not a normal unboxing. I'm not good at unboxings. We had other people show up that it just got distracting. So this is what it is. It's a nice rig. A little bit of modifications. It's going to be a class 1 truck. Drop the body a little bit, tighten up the bumpers here and there, change the motor and steering servo, and I think it's going to be a great truck for them. Elements are nice trucks, and it's a great truck to start with. I think he's going to be happy with it. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Check out some of the other videos, and thanks for watching.
Gotta get a little bit of a run at it.
testing the old man's rope bridge.
Oh. You can do it. Oh no! Look out, him. It's up. He's up. He's up. He's up. No. He's up. Oh, wow.
Getting himself in a predicament.